This is YFM-116YRCA, the auto ultrasonic rubber hand open and cutting machine by computer control for the number 5 plastic zipper. Now we are going to test this machine. Before we test the machine, please note the slider should not be on this position. The slider should have a distance between the slider and top stop. Must have a gap. Okay? And second, you need to make sure the zipper is over the basic foundation, okay, the holding foundation. Otherwise the clip cannot pull the tape. Once everything is okay, and please set up the production quantity. Now we set up 30 pieces, and you can close the cover, and you can press the start. The machine will be auto running. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. And there is the setting, and you can see the length of a tap feeding is controlling this tap feeding. Okay, how many centimeters coming out. So we set up the 3.0 centimeter. Location of a clip forward, we set up the 94. Normally we set up the 93 to 95. Hook pin delay time we set up 1 millisecond. Ultrasonic time we set up 6 millisecond. Cooling time we set up 3 millisecond. The box position of the rubber hand pulling we set up the 1 millisecond. The box position of the manual supply we set up the 6 millisecond. There's a password. Please press the password 8008, enter. And you can see the gap induction of the zipper delay we set up the 6 millisecond. The clip opening delay time we set up to 15 millisecond. The open and backward delay time we set up 35 millisecond. Conveyor belt time we set up the 300 millisecond. There is a low level setting. The high speed of the rubber hand forward we set up 400 RPM. The high speed of a rubber hand backward we set up 250 RPM. The low speed of a rubber hand backward we set up 150 RPM. The high speed of the feeding motor we set up 300 RPM. The low speed of the feeding motor we set up 250 RPM. This is the current location of the clip. Okay, this one is automatic running. We go back to the main screen. We finish the machinery testing.